Welcome to Outing Journal. So here's my parcel from Amazon, which I bought it from Amazon Japan. And let's see what inside. I'm very much excited. Most of it's going to be my photography gear plus some of the technology is going to help me in my photography. So let's see. Okay, here we open. I love Amazon Japan. Amazon Japan because there's a lot of great deals out there on Amazon Japan. Okay, okay. And safety is number one priority. Let me just put the knife aside. Okay, here are the bills. Wow, so long bills. Wow, too much bills, isn't it? And let me just take off. Okay, and this one is around 10 centimeter, 10 cm. This is a 10 centimeter around TRS cable. I'm going to use with my Canon M6 Mark II to use my Cermonic Blink B500 Pro. Okay, let me put this one aside. And here are some really tiny straps I'm going to use with my Canon G7X Mark III and my M6 Mark II with 22 millimeter. This is not your wrist strap. This is your finger strap, so the camera do not easily fall down. And my Canon M6, yes, my Canon M6 Mark II, as you can see here, my Canon M6 Mark II. I'm very much excited. Wow, my Canon M6 Mark II. I'm super excited. I couldn't express my excitement, to be honest with you. Let me just zoom out so we can see better. I think that's better, right? So yeah, my Canon M6 Mark II, and then let me just put here this one also, and Canon 11 to 22 millimeter, as you can see, Canon 11 to 22 millimeter. Let me just put here some more rubbish. And my this is my morning lunch box because there's Ramadan coming, so we are going to fast. In the morning I'm going to eat. I'm going to keep fast with this one. Okay, and this is my fatur or opening the fast. So I will be bringing food at my job. This is a thermos brand, as you can see. And my smartwatch, Fossil smartwatch. Again, this is going to help me in photography. I'm going to keep the notes what I have to take or something, not because when I photographing I don't want to take a smartphone. Sometimes I can keep the I'm going to use Google Keep or some kind of note application. Easily I can view note easily. I can calculate the focal length on the go without taking out the smartphone. And this is a mini tripod. This is basically legs. I'm going to use it for the Canon M6 Mark II because I already have a selfie stick, but the legs is quite wobbly, so I'm going to use this one. This one is from the Zidio, and this one is a belt, photographer belt. I'm going to put it on my wrist. And this one is the Canon small rig. Yes, you heard me right, Canon small rig for the M6 Mark II for the cold shoes. So yeah, let me just put here. And this one is for my Canon G7X Mark III and Canon G9X, but this one is quite big. I thought it's going to be slim, but sadly, as you can see, it's quite big. It's quite big. But I'm recording with the Panasonic S5 full frame mode. Sensitivity is 0. Sensitivity is 0. Tracking speed +5. Just to give you an idea how the Panasonic is performing indoor. ISO around 1600 f4.1 using 20 to 60 millimeter kit lens. And this is the XLR to TRS cable. Okay, and this one is a 55 millimeter Hakuba extreme lens guard. Please do not buy anything from K and F Concept, something like that. It have a lot of lens flare. This one have only 0.3%. Look for something less than 0.3% lens flare. Can it focus or not? Let's see. Yeah. Again, this is the real world test. Okay, and then what is this? Oh, this is some extra lens cap. I got it. What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Okay, like this. Yeah, I think that's all. So that's all. I hope the Panasonic, I hope the camera is doing good autofocus. I'm hoping so. It's doing good autofocus. Let's hope so. It's doing good autofocus. So yeah, this is everything I bought. Let me know in the comment section box below. What do you think about it? Let me just. Okay. I don't want my smartwatch to be damaged. Okay. Let me just set like this. I think like this look good, right? Again, how is the Panasonic S5 performing? Maybe this one will be here. Again, this 55mm will go with the 11 to 22mm. Okay, come on, maybe something like this. I don't want to damage the. Okay, something like this will be fine. Or something like this will be fine also. Okay, like this. Okay, let me just move back a little bit. How is the camera doing autofocus? I hope so it's giving the focus. I think it's like this will be better. Something like this. Okay, seems good. So, and here is the small rig also. Maybe we can put the small rig somewhere here. Something like this. So yeah, how is the camera doing autofocus? I hope you like my share, subscribe and buy. I have to say bye and check out the link in the description box below. Bye.